Hi, David Brearley. This is Principal Davies. I am very excited to welcome you back to school very soon. In the meantime, please take a look at this video about acceptable uses for your new Chromebook device. Thanks.
Usage of the internet as specified in your student handbook also applies to your Chromebook. However you would use a school computer is how you use this device. This is a school device. It is not a personal laptop, so use it for school intended purposes. Don't install or use any other software on your Chromebook other than the one approved by the district. Even if they are your very best friend, do not share your login credentials with any other student, and do not attempt to add, manage, or delete other student accounts. One more thing, I almost forgot. Do not attempt to bypass any content filters the district sets in place on your Chromebook. You put your Chromebook at a security risk by doing so, and that implies you're going on websites and using software you shouldn't be.